Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a product shadow. So why shadow is important? A very important question. Why? Because shadow gives your product a realistic look and adding a realistic touch to the product image. So it's important. So today I will show you two methods of making shadow. Both are easy. Please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So without wasting any time, let's start this video.